Automated online PDF editors versus manual Photoshop editing, which is best for your business? When it comes to business invoices, utility bills, or any important document, perfection is essential. Editing with Canva, Sejda, or simple online tools can break the layout, misalign the font, and reveal the edit only when you zoom in. But with manual Photoshop editing, we match each character perfectly at the pixel level. As a result, it's impossible to detect the edit even with high-resolution zoom. Why choose us? Perfect fonts and backgrounds, original fonts, textures, and watermarks remain 100% intact. 3D matching, text is placed according to the texture of folded or curved paper. Super fast delivery, work completed in just 30 minutes to 2 hours. Budget-friendly, service packages start from just $10. Your document's privacy is completely safe with us. Special note, we do not edit any government ID or passport. You can try the live demo before paying. Contact, WhatsApp. +880178 871 6077. See details, tuner.com.